welcome back to my channel. I am showing you our bathroom. It's a day-to-day progress. It's a massive refurbish. We want to remove all the things and we want to change it with a shower. And it's the first day, so they've started with the cladding on the ceiling, and we want a drop light or spotlight as well. And then this is the second day where the tiles has been started. And thanks to Kuya Roland Gupit, he's so good, very good, very good. We're very happy and proud of our bathroom. And this is the third day, so the tiles is progressing. So we put the accent. So that's how we are excited. And this is the fourth day. Oh gosh, it's all finished. There you go. Very nice. And that's it. So he put like a white line, and then the flooring as well. So nice. And that's the fifth day where the shower has been installed. Very nice, Kuya Olan, you're the best. And then he installed the vanity sink, our soft seat, all the plumbing things like the connections of the water, the hot water and everything. It's being installed. Very good. The waterfall. Very straight line. The details are so good. And welcome to our brand new bathroom. This is our shower. It's kind of small, but it's okay. But we've got a space in here. We might put something there. And then this is our mirror. It's a touch button. Ooh, you can have your makeup if you. Oh, my face is hot, right? And this is our waterfall, the vanity sink, and this is our soft sit. It will just go down by itself. And I'm really happy with Kuya Roland Gupit, who made this bathroom with love. He's so very good. All the details here. Oops, close. And this one is our secret, our bidet. We kept it like that because we just wanted discreet, charming. And our window, our radiator, and this one just needs painting. And these are the tiles. This is the accent, and we've got this I don't know what it's like. It's called trap light or spotlight, or the force spotlight. And this one, it's it will not moist, and you can plug in your electric toothbrush if you wish, or anything that you want to do, like razor. Just the simple electrical. And our rain shower. The reason why I've shared this one, guys, because I'm just really proud that me and my husband were able to save. This toilet is 2,600 pounds, included the materials, the top of the range materials, and the labor plus VAT. So this is it. So Kuya Roland Gupit, thank you so much. We are so happy with the toilet, and I'm really proud of Kuya Roland. So I'm really happy, and this is the one thing that makes me happy is our bidet. Just shampoo. Oops, sorry, just sharing. So we still have to put some accessories here, but at the minute we're just enjoying this thing, like the rag, like some hanger, what you call the one, like a tray, I don't know what you call that one, where you put your shampoos, and some of the stuff will be put on this cupboard. And I think that's it. Coconut. So thank you guys, and I just want to share this one so that it's just an inspiration. When you save, you can really have your own bathroom. We just really want like a bathroom, like a hotel bathroom. So for us, this is like a hotel bathroom, but if others won't say that, that's fine. To each his own. I love you guys. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and hope you like and subscribe to my channel. More cooking vlogs are coming soon. Take care, everyone. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like. Bye.